Hello and welcome to HCS Imagination. This is Hussein, and today we are with a new tutorial. So today we'll be learning how to remove a background from an image. So there'll be a lot of time when you click an image and you want to change the background for multiple reasons. Might be the background is not fine. So today we'll be learning in Photoshop how to remove background in few easy steps. Okay, I literally mean it's just one or two filters. So let's get started. So I've just loaded this image on Photoshop. So this is an image which I've taken, I think, a year back when I was traveling to Kashmir. Um, so so I see that the subject is really good, well captured. The focus is really good, but the background is not quite mm, good. So I just want to remove the subject from the background. So what I'll do is first I'll just go ahead to select, then click on focus area. Remember, it's select and then focus area. So now Photoshop is applying few algorithms, and yeah, it's done. So over here, if you see, all these marching ants are the selection. So the selection is good. So you can see here, over here, selection is really good, but Photoshop has missed couple of areas, like this cap is being missed, and it is considered this as a focus in focus, and tiny bits here and there have been missed. No problem, we'll just fix that in a minute. So first what we'll do is we'll change this to on layer. Okay, so if you see, so there are multiple views which you can use. You can use overlay, black, white, black and just black and white, or on layer. I'll just go select on layer, and then what I'll do is I'll increase the brush and click on alt. So if you see, this is plus means it'll start adding different layers. If I just brush it here, it'll start considering that areas. So I'll just undo this, and I'll click on I'll just brush it here. Okay, so this has been taken care of now. So let's go to the cap, and I'll just brush it on the cap so it's considered complete. So on in background, Facebook runs a couple of crazy algorithms and finds the edges and selects only that. So see, it's perfectly added the cap. So let's see, so over here, so I'll just brush on this layer. I'll hit alt and brush it. So yes, it's removed. So I will decrease my brush using the square bracket key, and yes, this has been removed. This has been removed. So I'll start brushing in the same way. So if the areas are small, just give a tap. And the see, okay, over here I think a couple of things were missed, so I'll just add a stroke here. Hope, yeah, it's been added. I think here it should add a couple of things. So when I'm not sure, I'll just change the view to marching ants so that I can add it more perfectly. So yes, I think a little bit of selection is missed on the color side, but I see everything else is perfectly taken care of. So here I think something went wrong. Just increase the brush and paint it. So yeah, I think the complete selection is done. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is select new layer with new layer mask. So there'll be multiple options. So I'll now select new layer mask. I'll click on OK. So if you see, it's been erased, but I can see there are a couple of things which we have not removed over here and here. That's simple. That's easy. That's an easy fix. And here I've not added that. So that's an easy fix. So just hold Alt key and click on the clipping mask here. So by this we can just brush things we need back. Okay. And click on X to change the foreground background color, and I'll just paint it here just like that. Okay, so now this is completed. Just click on the image back, and yes, it's done. So now I'll just pick some random scenes which I clicked and just put this on the document, move this back, resize this a little bit. It looks real. Just make another adjustment layer, and curves would be good. And I'll just add a gradient so that it matches with that, isn't it? Sorry. And reduce the opacity to say 40 or 60. Okay, and then add a vignette. That's the final step. Change this to radial, reverse this, and increase the scale and change it to soft light. So, yeah. So with a couple of steps, we just change the complete background from this to this. We can work on this more, like matching the colors and everything. That might take a little bit more time. So yeah, that's it. We have achieved this effect. So if this tutorial helped you, and if you want to learn anything more on Photoshop, do comment down below. If this video has helped you, leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and do share this with your friends. This will really help this channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.